Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. I'm always searching for something a little bit different, so we are not always looking at the same job leads of customer service data entry, and healthcare. So that's what I have today, something that is a little bit different. But if this job lead is not for you, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. But this is a work from home job for my United States folks only, being a content creator for Voya Financial. Now, Voya Financial is a health, wealth, and investment company. They provide products and solutions to Americans to invest and make sure that they have their financial well-being set up. So they are looking for a content creator to be responsible for writing, developing, editing, and publishing content in a variety of formats. That may be brochures, flyers, but mostly digital channels such as websites, emails, social media posts, videos, and more. So they are looking for someone who has experience in a highly regulated field like insurance, healthcare, or financial services. They also kind of want someone who has experience in writing. But if you have a lot of knowledge about health savings accounts, spending accounts, retirement accounts, investments, then this might be for you. So you'll be responsible for not only the content creation, but you'll have to make sure it gets reviewed and approved and published. And if you have WordPress experience publishing to blogs or anything, that will be great for you. Now, they do not require a bachelor degree or anything. It says that it is preferred, but it is not required. They are really looking for someone who can think high level, who has great communication and organizational skills, someone who can multitask and handle multiple projects at the same time, but is also a team player and can be collaborative. And they do want someone who has 5 to 7 years of experience. Now, if you have experience in the financial world and this is for you, the salary range for this position, and I know this is published for Colorado, because salary is always going to be dependent on location and experience, but they're paying anywhere from $70,000 a year all the way up to $106,000 a year for this position, for somebody to sit at home and create content around the financial world. Now, of course, a very high-paying salary is not all they offer. They offer a standard benefit package including health, dental, vision, life, 401k, paid time off, all the things. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.